Welcome to this video on how to record and summarize iPhone calls using AI with Granola. Granola automatically captures and summarizes your regular iPhone calls so you never miss a detail.
This technology changes everything by helping you save time, stay present in the conversation, and never miss a detail. AI automatically captures key points and follow-ups for you.
The setup is quick and involves 4 main steps. Install Granola, connect your number, record the call, and get the AI summary. Every call becomes a searchable, summarized record. Step 1. Download Granola. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Granola. Download and open the app. It's free to download with no special hardware required. Step 2. Connect your phone number. Inside Granola, tap the phone icon to begin setup. You'll enter a verification code, confirm your number, and allow microphone and call permissions. Once verified, you're ready to record. Step 3. Make an AI-powered call. Tap the dedicated call button inside Granola. Select a contact or dial a number. Talk normally. The call works like any regular phone call, and the AI works silently in the background. Step 4. End the call as usual. When finished, simply hang up like normal. There's no extra button or step needed. Granola handles everything automatically the moment the call ends. Step 5. Get your AI summary in about a minute. You'll receive a conversation summary, key points detailing important topics and decisions, and action steps for follow-ups and next steps. Say goodbye to manual note-taking. Within about 60 seconds of hanging up, your entire call is organized into a clean, readable summary, ready to share, search, or act on. For handling inbound calls, Granola still works. Before or during an incoming call, open Granola and start a new note. Granola primarily captures your side of the conversation and organizes your responses. Important: always inform the other person before recording or transcribing a call, as recording laws vary. A simple disclosure keeps you compliant and builds trust. With your summaries, you can share instantly, search later by keyword, turn them into tasks for your to-do list, and build a searchable archive of all your important conversations. Start turning calls into insights. Granola is free on the App Store, sets up quickly, and once you try it, manual notes will feel like the past. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more AI productivity tips every week. New videos are released regularly, so don't miss out.